Hey guys, I want to bring you along real quick for a little tip or trick or whatever. If you need to make a wider tapered board for whatever reason, I'm making one that's going to go under some new windows in an older building, but I'm going to bring you guys along for the install of this particular board and why I'm doing what I'm doing. So anyway, I just want to bring you guys along right now for it's really simple. If you've got a planer, or if you know somebody that's got a planer, then here we go. Got you set up right there. Okay, I've got a board. Well, here, okay, all right. Here's the board that I want tapered from 1/4 to 3/4. X number of inches long. It doesn't even matter about that part. Now I've got, let me get this in. I've got this heel. Let's go like this right here. I want this heel here. If I shot brads through here and fastened it on, I'm about to run it through my planer. You'll see in a minute. Then the brads would get cut in the planer. It'd be a huge mess. So you got to glue it. You could use mounting tape. Easy enough. You could just wood glue it on and carve it off later on or whatever. But if you'll just do a piece of blue tape and some cyanoacrylate, which is, a lot of people just know it as superglue. And a quick shot, now let me make sure, yep, and a quick shot of accelerator. And we're going to hold this down. Now you would think that this would set up like, oh, like right now. It takes, I'm going to hold this here for just a minute. It's going to take just a minute. There we go, guys. And then that's that. So now I want to bring you guys along over to the planer. All right, guys, let's get this run through. I'm going to show you how this heel on here will result in or yield a tapered board. And there we go. Let's do it. Dust collection. All right, guys, y'all see that right there? That taper? It's got a little bit of a curve in it, but I'm not too worried about. You back up to the table. All right, guys, so now all we have to do is just peel this off, this heel. Look at there. Just that simple. That all comes off clean. Clean. And now I've got a tapered board that I can put under a window. And there you go, guys. Hope this helps.